I'm happy that I'm back. Yeah. Hello my loves, welcome to Tbilisi, welcome to Happy Muncher's vlogs here in Georgia. Today I am out here in Freedom Square. This is the most touristic area of Tbilisi. I'm gonna share it quickly with you. So this is Freedom Square. It's a very busy street here in Tbilisi. This is one of the landmarks of Tbilisi, guys. This statue right here. So let's walk around the area and see what we can find and just explore it. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk into one of my favorite streets here in Tbilisi, Shafdani. It's the most busiest, very busiest street and very touristic. Let's go! This is a very busy street, guys. It's very touristic. There's lots of cafes and restaurants. And yeah, if you come to Tbilisi, make sure you come to this particular street. You'll enjoy it so much. This is a very narrow street as well, and it's one-way driveway. And what I like most about it is so many restaurants actually. I'm gonna walk to the most popular area which has more restaurants so that we explore it together. So it's fall season here in Georgia, and you can notice with so many leaves on the streets. So guys, this is the restaurant corner in Shafdani. There are lots of restaurants here and stray dogs. They're everywhere here. But yeah, these are restaurants in Shafdani Street. I love this area so much because they offer street dining, but of course you have the choice to sit inside, but I think it's always nicer. The vibe is nicer when you're sitting outside. place gets lively in the evening around 7. It gets packed. People are out drinking, eating, and having the time of their lives. So right where we are, my loves, is the old side of Tbilisi. This is the most historic part of Tbilisi, and you have all these old houses from years and years back, and they're still preserving them. Some of them are turned into hotels, restaurants, shops, but there are still people living in these old houses. And this is the cable car that goes all the way up to that hill. This one is not so high like the one in Batumi, but yeah. And also take this, I don't know if it's a golf cart, but it's so interesting for a city tour. I'm super excited to be back in Tbilisi, guys. This is like wow. I'm happy that I'm back because like it's very vibey, it's very active, you know, it's a very busy city. And for me, like I always tell you guys, I really love busy areas. It's not boring, so many things to do, so many people, so many restaurants, just a bunch of things to do. So yeah. And here, guys, is the river. This is the Kura river that partitions Old Tbilisi and New Tbilisi. So I'm gonna try and go to that bridge. That's the popular bridge here in Tbilisi. Let us go. And here is one of the most interesting sculptures of I think it's a king. The name is so tough for me to pronounce. One of the landmarks of Tbilisi, a king on top of a horse. And there's also a church called Meteki. I think that's the name. It's an Orthodox church. So this symbolizes the rich historical culture of Georgia. So yeah, look at the views from here, guys. So beautiful. And there are boats on this river. You can go for a boat cruise if you want. And that statue over there on top of the hill, that's the mother of Georgia holding a sword and a bowl. That symbolizes protection over Georgia. This man has a monkey. Okay, I'm walking through a park right now. Okay, this is called Rag Park, and this is where you can catch your cable car to the hill. There is also an air balloon. This is a very beautiful park and very, very clean. You won't find any litter here. Yes, there are bins for that. But yes, it's very leafy. Like I said, it's fall season. So many leaves on the street. But we are almost here at the Bridge of Peace. These men with birds, they will run to you with their birds and monkeys, and you have to hold them at a price. But anyway, guys, this is the Bridge of Peace. So beautiful. Look at the views from here.
If you listen, you will notice music everywhere.
The structure of this bridge is so beautiful, guys. And it goes across the river.
Hello, madam. Excuse me, officer walking by road.
There are stairs on both sides of the bridge for you to enter and exit.
This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope.
Woo, guys, I walked quite a bit today, and this is it from me today, my loves. This is the glimpse of Tbilisi. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. There's more coming your way. Just make sure that you click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure to share as well. And do like the video. Thank you guys for watching. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Nunca me brindó, quería casarme. Yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus